Are you looking for the best RC boats? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best RC boats on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DEERC H120 Fast RC Boat. DEERC H120 High-Speed Remote Control Boat. Experience exhilarating water races with the DEERC H120, a high-speed remote control boat capable of reaching up to 20 miles per hour. Perfect for both adults and kids, this boat is powered by a 4-channel 2.4 GHz remote, offering a 150-meter signal range for smooth and responsive control. Capsize recovery function. Never worry about your boat flipping over. With the self-righting design, the DEERC H120 ensures your boat automatically reorients itself, keeping it on track even after a capsize. Its double-hatch design and capsize recovery system make it an ideal choice for RC enthusiasts of all experience levels. Low battery alarm function. Stay in control with the low battery alarm feature. When the boat's battery is running low, the controller will beep, signaling that it's time to return the boat to avoid losing connection and control. Rechargeable and fully equipped. The DEERC H120 comes with everything you need: a rechargeable battery, USB charger, screwdriver, lock nut, wrench, propeller, support frame, lubricant, and an anti-collision head for a smooth and secure experience. Perfect gift for all ages. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced RC enthusiast, this high-speed RC boat makes for an exciting gift for kids 14+ and adults alike. Please note, this boat is designed for freshwater use only and is not suitable for saltwater environments. Number 2. Altair AA102 Red RC Boat. Altair AA102 High-Speed Remote Control Boat. Fast and fun. The Altair AA102 RC boat is built for speed, reaching up to 30 km per hour with its powerful 390 size brushed motor. Whether you're racing in the pool, lake, or river, this boat is designed for high-performance fun on water. No worry operation, featuring an anti-capsize hull system, the AA102 can safely flip itself back from shore if needed. Plus, the included out-of-range alarm and low battery alarm ensure you'll never lose control or send your boat too far out, keeping your adventure worry-free. High-quality build, built for durability and extended play, the AA102 comes with two 7.4V 1500 mAh Li-ion batteries for long-lasting performance. Ready to go right out of the box, this RC boat is designed for both beginners and experienced enthusiasts alike. Altair promise. At Altair, we are committed to delivering high-quality RC products that are easy to enjoy and built with your satisfaction in mind. We focus on the details that make our products fun and reliable, and we treat our customers the way we want to be treated. Number 3. Force 1 Velocity Fast RC Boat. Force 1 Velocity High-Speed Remote Control Boat. High-speed fun for all ages. The Force 1 Velocity is a high-speed RC boat designed for both adults and kids. With incredible features like underwater driving, auto-capsize recovery, and a low battery alert, this boat offers an exciting and worry-free boating experience. Race across pools, lakes, and rivers with ease. Underwater diving and driving. Take your RC boat to a whole new level with the underwater driving feature. Dive below the surface and enjoy thrilling aquatic adventures. Whether you're racing on top or exploring the depths, the Velocity offers endless fun in any water environment. Easy and safe operation. The 2.4 GHz remote control lets you drive with precision, offering features like forward-reverse throttle, left-right direction, trim adjustment, and a low signal warning to avoid losing connection, up to 328 feet. Plus, the capsize recovery mode ensures the boat rights itself if flipped, and the double-hatch body maintains control over waves. Rechargeable and long-lasting, the Velocity comes with two 3.7V 800 mAh rechargeable batteries, ensuring a longer runtime. A USB charger allows you to easily recharge the batteries for continuous fun. The boat's charge time is 120 minutes, providing up to 12 minutes of playtime per battery. Durable for freshwater use, this 10.85-inch remote control boat is built to withstand the demands of freshwater racing. Whether you're cruising in rivers, lakes, or pools, this boat is designed for freshwater only, not suitable for saltwater environments. Ideal for all ages, with its user-friendly features, the Velocity is perfect for both kids, ages 8+, and adults. Its safe design and built-in safeguards ensure a secure and fun experience, making it an ideal gift for anyone who loves RC adventures. Award-winning STEM toy, recognized as a 2023 STEM authenticated toy, the Force 1 Velocity promotes hands-on learning and provides an educational, exciting experience for young minds. Number 4. ALPHAREV RC Boat R308. R308 High-Speed Remote Control Boat. High-speed performance, powered by a 370S brushed motor and a 7.4V 1200 mAh high-capacity battery, the R308 RC boat can reach speeds of 20+ mph, perfect for both adults and kids. This versatile RC boat can race through pools, lakes, and seas, providing endless summer fun on the water. Portable RC Boat Suitcase. The R308 series comes with a portable suitcase for easy storage and transport. The suitcase features mesh bags and customized slots, making it convenient to carry your RC boat and accessories wherever you go. Water sensing protection. For added safety, the R308 features water sensing protection. The engine only starts when the boat contacts water, preventing accidental activation and ensuring safe operation for kids. LED lights and auto demo functions. With vibrant LED lights, the boat shines brightly at night and indicates direction. The 180-degree capsize recovery function makes it fearless of waves, while the auto demo function allows the boat to showcase impressive stunts, including automatic 8-shape driving. Ultra control distance and low battery warning. The R308 offers an impressive 300-foot control range, making it an ideal pool toy for all ages. Plus, the low battery warning alerts you with a beeping sound, ensuring you can safely return the boat to shore before the battery runs out. Ideal gift for all ages, packaged delicately, the R308 makes a perfect gift for kids and adults, whether for birthdays, Christmas, Children's Day, or any other occasion. It's the perfect addition to any collection of RC water toys. 24/7 after-sales support. Our dedicated after-sales team is available 24/7 to assist with any questions or concerns, ensuring complete customer satisfaction. Number 5. DEERC RC Boat. High-speed RC boat with 2 rechargeable batteries, 30+ minutes of playtime. Long-lasting fun. Equipped with 2 high-quality 7.4V 1200 mAh Li-ion rechargeable batteries, this RC boat offers up to 30+ minutes of continuous playtime, giving you extended water adventures without interruptions. Self-righting function and stepless speed adjustment. Reach thrilling speeds of 20+ mph with stepless speed adjustment for the perfect balance of power and control. The self-righting function ensures your boat stays upright, even in strong winds and waves, so you can keep racing without worries. Cool autopilot mode. With just one click on the remote, the boat enters autopilot mode and performs stunning 8-shaped or O-shaped stunts, giving you the freedom to sit back and enjoy the action while the boat creates mesmerizing splashes. LED lights and low battery power alarm. Enjoy the sparkling LED lights for a fun nighttime experience as you control the boat. The remote controller also includes a low battery alarm, ensuring you always know when it's time to bring your boat back before the battery runs low. Ideal gift for all ages, perfect for kids aged 14 and up. This Velocity high-speed RC boat makes an exciting gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a great way to introduce friends and family to the world of RC water toys.